Fanny pack.
Oh, fanny pack. Obvious fanny pack.
Hi guys, I'm Kenya.
Hi, I'm Cecile.
Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm Justin.
Hey, I'm Kaylee.
Hey, I'm Benison.
I'm Maya.
I'm Cleo.
And today we're testing out some wacky travel products.
No.
I'm just curious as to how this is a travel thing.
Oh, maybe it's to keep, no,
lavender
it's to keep
socks
your
or
feet
something?
from smelling on the plane. Because have you ever sat next to a man with stanky feet? I have.
Is that what it's for?
What's the point?
I can only imagine that it's some sort of therapeutic massage, but it's like, it just feels like honestly, it feels like an uncomfortable sock.
I'm gonna go with don't.
And I'll do two. Fanny pack.
Oh, fanny pack. Obvious fanny pack.
It has hair. Ooh, it's a belly button. Guys, look at this.
You're actually just a gross dude. I'm just not gonna rob you because you're a gross dude.
Imagine if you could take out, you know, very interesting things.
Like cookies.
Not travel things like babies.
Do.
Everybody.
Body
Dual
system? It doesn't,
That's
no,
not
it's not
That's
it.
Not it. Okay. There's no
Why
way
does
we're
it keep
gonna
coming
do
out?
this.
All right.
I could probably sleep like this. You look like an idiot though.
You put your other one through.
T-Rex arms.
And then I think you strap this around your... How does... Really? Is your
I'm just
best
gonna say
option.
don't. I can't use this. I can't do it with a friend. Brief safe. Hiding your riches inside your britches.
That's brilliant.
That's so good.
Oh,
Fake
it's
underwear.
underwear.
It's like a fake underwear.
You want to try these on too?
No.
You sure?
There's poop in it!
Oh, dude. That's
And pee!
oh.
There's poop and pee in it.
You're so.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, I can't. This is foul.
If you don't want to get bothered, wear these. They're pretty fashionable.
Right. Oh, dude.
That's a joke had to be made. All right.
So is it like a massager thing?
Yeah. It's a vibrator.
It's a
Probably
big
not.
fucking coat hanger.
Well, I got big coats.
Body back.
That's it. To stretch. I'm right! I'm so
What?
good!
Get out of your mind. This is how you. This is a thing.
Yeah, this is it's extra, but I like it. So I say yes. For the extra in you,
Sure.
go for it.
Oh, it's a urinating tube for women.
Oh, those are dope.
That's
I mean,
good for
I
us.
don't have much use for it.
Yeah, I can't even relate.
I'm embarrassed to say I would definitely try this.
Yeah, that's not embarrassing, girl.
not?
It's liberating.
It's a good snow cone.
Oh my god, it does look like a snow cone.
Report back. Let me know how this goes for you.
All right.
Are you serious?